What's up everyone? In this video I'm getting ready to install the rebuilt SR into the S14, and I got my boy Eric over here helping me out. It's pretty much ready to go. We got the tranny on there, the clutch, everything like that, and we got the car ready. So the only thing left really is to just put it in. We're getting ready, jacking it up over here, and just gonna have to slide it in there and finesse it in here. So let me get this going with him, and we'll show you guys once we get it started and get it going in the car. All right, so thanks to my boy Eric, we got the motor installed last night and it's almost ready to go now. I just have a couple other little things that I have to do. I'm gonna show you guys the process right now and we'll get this thing started hopefully. So I have the motor pretty much all tightened up, and we already ran the engine harness and everything through the dash, or through the firewall into the dash, and it's already plugged in. Everything's wired up here. Throttle cable, fuel lines, everything. Pretty much left is the intercooler piping, radiator, power steering stuff, AC stuff, the MAF, and exhaust, drive shaft, and all that other stuff. But for now, I'm just gonna get the easy stuff done, and pretty much where I'm started now is, if you guys see my video with the RB with the pre-luber, I'm gonna add oil right now to the SR. It's not the perfect spot because I don't have a fitting that fits on the other side by the oil filter, so I'm just using the oil feed for the turbo, but I'm going straight into the block, so I hope that helps it fill with oil, or if not, at least it has some before I start trying to crank it over and get some oil pressure in there before we start it. So that's what I'm about to do right now, just start to get some oil pressure in there and then start putting everything else together so we can start it up. So let me get this done and I'll show you guys the process once I get it all done, and I'm gonna take it for a first startup. All right, so I pretty much almost have it all ready to go. I started putting everything on it. Only thing left that I have to do is put the radiator on, and pretty much the bay is ready. I just gotta do the exhaust and the drive shaft under the car, and it's pretty much all ready to go, and I can try and drive it. I did the oil bleeding and it worked out. I got oil pressure. I already cranked it and made sure that the light was off, and now pretty much the only thing left to do is we're going to give it a try to start it. So let's go. Prime for a second, and it runs. Sick. All right, cool. So now let me finish everything off and I'll show you guys once the car is all ready for the first test drive. All right, so I finished everything up, got everything installed, and it's pretty much ready to be drove. I just gotta run and get some transmission fluid, and my boy's gonna help me bleed the clutch later, and we're gonna take it for a drive. So that's pretty much it for this. The motor's running really good. After I put all the vacuum lines, tighten everything up, it runs really good. It starts up no problem. Like immediately it starts up and holds idle no problem. So I'm happy with it for now, and let me just start it one more time so you guys can see it. So yeah, it's pretty much ready to go. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I hope I give you guys some good info on rebuilding your motors and getting your cars going. So stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully we're taking it out on the road and just going for a little cruise. So thank you guys for watching again, and stay tuned for the next videos.